Welcome to the Workshop Equipment Training Program. This program helps you learn about various machine tools available in a mechanical workshop. Press the Next button to get started. This training has two modes. Learning mode allows you to explore the workshop. Point the controller and press the trigger to walk around. Point the controller at any machine to know what it is. Some machines have further details that can be learned by selecting the See More Details menu. Assessment mode tests your knowledge of machines in the workshop. You will be shown a name and you need to correctly identify it. Point your controller and press the trigger to confirm. Check your score at the end of the assessment. Select Training Mode. Learning mode selected. You are about to be redirected to the workshop. Good luck! This is a drill machine. This can be used for making round holes or driving fasteners. This machine is much easier to use compared to a hand drill. This is a metal lathe machine. This is a metal lathe machine. A lathe is a machine tool that rotates a workpiece about an axis of rotation to perform various operations such as cutting, sanding, knurling, drilling, deformation, facing, and turning with tools that are applied to the workpiece to create an object with symmetry about that axis. This is a wood lathe machine. This is a vise. A vise is used to secure an object so that work can be performed on it. This is an anvil. An anvil is a metalworking tool consisting of a large block of metal with a flattened top surface upon which another object is struck. This is a vise. A vise is used to secure an object so that work can be performed on it. Select Training Mode. Assessment mode selected. Please select the assessment test you want to take. Workshop machines selected. You are about to be redirected to the workshop for Workshop Machines test. Good luck! Please select the drill machine. Correct. Please select the wood lathe machine. Incorrect. Please select the vise. Correct. Please select the anvil. Correct. Please select the metal lathe machine. Correct. Your final score is 4 out of 5. Please review what you got wrong. Please select the anvil. Correct. Please select the drill machine. Correct. Please select the vise. Correct. Please select the wood lathe machine. Correct. Please select the metal lathe machine. Correct.